Ja, wunderbar.
Wow, wunderbar.
Aber das muss nicht jetzt sein. Können Sie da liegen lassen.
Okay, ja.
Ah, okay.
Cannot speak English.
Yeah, well, yeah. The booking.com, it says like they cannot speak English. Yeah.
Or should we ask them for a restaurant recommendation?
Yeah, maybe that's better.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Or we can cook together with them.
What?
We can cook together with them. No. So I just arrived at the hotel. I feel a bit like I spent a lot of money for hotel, but yeah, it worth it. I'm not so rich. I just graduated university, so I'm gonna earn money soon. So it will compensate for it. Okay, so now this is our house. It's like a cottage. 45 euro per night, so it's kind of like 8,000 yen per night per person. Then we're gonna stay here for 2 nights, so it's gonna cost 90 euro for one person. Yeah, it's not so bad in this location. Yeah, really peaceful. How do you feel down here?
That we arrived safely.
Yeah, thank you for driving for 4 hours.
Yes, you're welcome.
But like this place is only place where we can come by car, no? Maybe by bike or no. By train, by bus, it's impossible to reach here. Do you want to walk around or you
I want to go to the toilet.
toilet? Me too. We can introduce inside of the house today. This is a good terrace outside. This is inside of the house. Actually, this is really big. This is bigger than I expected. Oh my gosh. This also looks nice. This is the bathroom and the shower room. Looks amazing.
Oh, interesting that.
Oh my gosh. What? It's cute.
It's round, yeah. That's
Round shape in round shape bed.
like in a love hotel.
Oh my gosh. Interesting. Ah, can we open this?
Yes.
Ah. Close it here. So we also found another like hotel which cost 140 for 2 nights for 2 person. It was a bit smaller than this hotel. It was 20 square meters. Then I felt maybe it's a bit shady. It's a bit too small. Then I found that this hotel then it had a 20% discount. Then it was 180 euro for 2 person for 2 nights. But this was 50 square meters for the room, so I thought this room is bigger than other things. So I thought bigger room is more comfortable. So we took this hotel. This was really nice, amazing. So we're gonna stay here for 2 nights. Then we will go to Hallstatt. It's really pretty city. It's really famous, popular sightseeing place. We're also gonna go to Salzburg. It's really also famous town where Mozart was born. Sounds really nice. See you then. Bye bye. How are you? Oh. Okay, so we just went to supermarket together
Yes.
for buying something small.
So what did you buy?
Then I realized that like at the supermarket you can also buy a lot of souvenir. So I found something famous in Austria. First thing is
Manna.
manna.
Or manne. I
Man-
don't know. So
Mannel. It's like warehouse. It's like chocolate. Then this looks nice.
yes.
Then I bought this type and the bigger one.
And
Yeah.
of course, you should not forget Mozartkugel. It's like chocolate balls with marzipan inside, very famous in Austria, especially in Salzburg. So I recommended him he should buy that also in Salzburg.
Yes.
One thing, but I don't think that's typical Austrian, but maybe we have it a lot in Germany. This thing is called Schokorosinen, or it's like grapes with one grape, like dried grapes with chocolate around. So it's really nice snack actually, and it's very addictive.
Oh, nice.
And we have also one thing, whoa, very big. It's kind of lemonade, like a lemonade from Austria, and
What is the name?
it's called Almdudler.
It's kind of lemonade, right?
Yes, so it's lemonade or like with a lot of herbs from mountains, at
Okay.
least it says. So
That's
yeah,
nice.
it's really nice.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Enjoy your food.
Oh. So
This is a new European thing. Cannot take the lid off anymore.
yeah, I think so. Oh, this is no alcohol.
Maybe it is.
No, it's just juice. But it looks like champagne.
This champagne actually.
So this is lasagna. Then grapes.
So let's see how good it is.
Yes.
Sorry.
Oh,
I destroyed it.
destroy it.
Everything.
Yeah.
You also won.
Yeah, actually my favorite food is lasagna.
Really? Mine too.
Oh, nice.
Really?
Thank you.
Oh, Haruki, that's funny coincidence.
Oh, amazing.
Really?
Yeah, my favorite.
Not
nice.
sushi, but lasagna.
Yeah, lasagna is my favorite.
Really, mine too.
Yeah, maybe I need to bring it
It's
back.
so
to-
much better than lasagna sushi.
Oh my gosh. Good morning, everyone. Today we have really nice weather. Daniel. Hey. Really nice weather. Today we're gonna go to Hauptstadt. That's really famous city. Then we're gonna see beautiful scenery there. Okay. So let's go. Come. Come. Ah. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Oh. Wow. Ah. La, 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 la. La, 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 la.
Wow, it looks really nice.
Nice.